Brian here, Cooking Wild. We're camping and we're cooking. Today, made from scratch flatbread pizza on the grill. So, the technical difference between pizza dough and flatbread is flatbread does not include yeast. You'll find a lot of recipes that do include yeast, so then the only real difference is how you shape it. Round like a pizza, or rectangle like a flatbread. Today, no yeast, which means no waiting for anything to rise. Just flour, baking powder, salt, olive oil, and water. So, I figure this is enough for 4 small flatbreads. Change the plans a bit. One larger flatbread for the pizza and 2 smaller ones which are somehow going to be breakfast. We'll get to that in a bit. At home I have a small wood-fired pizza oven. Just so happens that pizza stone fits perfectly into my grill smoker oven stove thing. We're going to get the grill pretty hot to heat up the stone for a nice crispy crust. The plan is to cook the crust first, since it won't take long to melt some cheese and heat up the toppings. And some basil. We'll add that towards the end of the process. Cook it too much and it gets bitter. We'll start out with some diced tomatoes, mozzarella, pepperonis, a few minutes on the grill, fresh basil, and we'll top it off with some balsamic glaze. Why? I have no idea. Had some and it sounded good. A few more minutes on the grill and it's dinner time. And there you have it. Quick and easy flatbread pizza on the grill. Oh, and as promised, breakfast. Some Cooking Wild Seasonings breakfast sausage, fresh peppers, some diced tomatoes left over from the pizza, eggs, some cheddar, and a little mozzarella also left over from the pizza. And I had an avocado sitting in the camper without a plan, so that went on too. All in all, pretty simple. A delicious pizza for supper and a flatbread breakfast.